This is going to be mainly dealing with releasing the muscles so that they can relax and we can elongate them so they stop causing dysfunction at the joint, because a shortened muscle at one point is going to pull unevenly at the joint. So to ameliorate this, we're going to press on the muscle to activate these things called Golgi tendon organs within the muscle that cause it to relax. When you're ready, you're going to cross this other leg over. Also, a really good technique with this one is do the pin and stretch with it, but this one's just going to look like moving your ankle. So if you can work up to doing this, I think this is the best version of releasing your calf. It's super important for a lot of things, because when those hip flexors are bearing down on the front of your pelvis and tilting your pelvis forwards, you get a lot of issues, including like collapsed arch and low back issues, because it's going to make your spine curve a lot more. You're going to be hyperlordotic, which causes some issues. So taking care of the hip flexors and making sure that not bearing down on your pelvis unevenly is going to take care of a lot of issues. Inside on the groin, and there's a lot of muscles in here that cause a lot of issues, especially when they get interdigitated with the hamstring, and then that causes dysfunction in your hamstring and or your groin, and then it also pulls your pelvis unevenly since it attaches to the pelvis up here as far as you can. And then if you're more advanced, you're going to bring your foot farther up. You're going to feel this a lot in your groin, but also your hamstring and even probably your glute. And then even the hip flexor on the other side of the leg that's down. And then to accentuate the groin, you can push your knee out. You can put this on the traps. I'll show on the graphic where the traps look like.